Suaranya bisa dibesarkan tidak?
Oke. Sudah.
Oh, ini sudah paling besar nih suaranya.
Sudah besar.
Okay. It's kind still masih belum, it's not clear, masih belum ini. Tapi nggak apa-apa, coba ya. Kita coba. But Mr. Fulker, can you
Yeah.
see the slide? Can you see the slide?
Yes, I can, miss. Yes, I can,
Okay.
mister.
Okay, all right. Good morning, Mr. Furkon. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You are
Mister.
fine. I'm fine
Yourself?
too. I'm fine too. Thank you.
Okay.
Have you got your breakfast?
Hmm, not yet.
Not yet.
Hmm,
After this, after this,
okay.
right?
After
Okay.
this class.
Okay. Today we are going to learn about what's the matter.
What's the
What's the matter? What's the matter?
what's
Ada apa? Okay. What's the matter? Ada apa atau apa yang sedang terjadi? Now let's move to the next one. Okay, before we go to the lessons, we are going to have a warm up by filling the gap and role play. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures here. Okay, now Mr. Furkan, take a look to picture number 1. When blah blah blah, it will be on 5th of November. What is the answer?
When Jack, when will the Jacksons wedding, wed,
When will
when will Jackson's wedding be?
Okay, what will Jackson wedding
Will be
be? Okay, what will Jackson's
wedding
wedding be? Good. What about number 2?
number 2. What are they going to do on sports day? They are going tug of war. Tug of war.
Tug of war. Okay, they are going.
They are going to tug of war.
They are going to play tug of war. Okay. What about number 3?
Number 3. When will the music festival be? It's on.
Mm-hmm.
It's on the. It's on the 10th of Sunday.
Oh, 10 of Sunday. It's a September.
September. Okay.
Yes, it's
It's
10 of September. It will,
it's
it will,
uh,
it
it
will
will
be
it will
on
be on the 10th
10
of
of
September.
September. Good.
September.
What about number 4?
Therefore, what are you going to do? What are you going to do on Anna's graduation day?
Okay.
Uh, I'm going. I'm going to. I'm going.
I'm going to
I'm going to bring
bring
some flower.
some flowers. Good job. Last one. Last picture.
What, what is Tim going to do on his birthday? What is Tim going to do on his birthday?
He is
He, he is going to.
going. to
He's
eat
going to
out
eat out at a restaurant.
at the restaurant. Okay, great. Now let's have a role play. I will ask you, you will answer the questions. Let's take a look picture number one. When will Jackson's wedding be?
It will be on 5th of November.
Okay, number two. What are they going to do on sport day?
And they are going to play Tug of War.
Number three. When will the music festival be?
It will be on 10th of September.
Good. Number four. What are you going to do on Anna's graduation day?
I'm going to do some flower.
Okay. Number five. What is Tim going to do on his birthday?
What is he going to do on his birthday? He is going to eat out at the restaurant.
Great. Okay, Mr. Furkan, you are doing great. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, let's watch and listen to the video about this.
What did... No, I just ate some birthday cake, some salad, meatballs, cookies, and sweets, and... Oh, I see. You have a stomach ache because you ate too much. Charlie, let me help you. How do you feel now, Charlie? My stomach doesn't hurt now, but I still feel tired. Don't worry, Charlie. Go home and take a rest. You can feel better then.
Okay,
Okay.
that is the conversations between Dr. Brown and Charlie. Now let's role play. I will be Dr. Brown, Mr. Furkan, you will be Charlie. Now let's start.
Okay.
What did you eat yesterday, Charlie?
I went to my friend's birthday party last Saturday.
Okay, did you eat a lot yesterday?
Now, I just ate some birthday cake, some salad, meatballs, cookies, and sweets, and
Oh, I see. You have a stomachache because you eat too much, Charlie. Let me help you. How do you feel now, Charlie?
my stomach doesn't hurt now, but I still feel tired.
Don't worry, Charlie. Go home and take a rest. You can feel better then. Okay, thank you, Mr. Furkan, for having role play. This is actually the conversations between Doctor and Charlie. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, we have the new vocabulary here, health problems. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang health problems. Masalah-masalah kesehatan. It's a health problem. Okay, we have 4 picture here. Mr. Furkan, repeat after me. Let's take a look. Picture number 1. Pain,
Pain,
fever,
fever,
cough,
cough,
sore throat.
sore throat.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Furkan pernah merasakan yang mana? Which one have you ever feel?
Everything.
Everything, all of the pictures? Pain? You
Yeah,
ever feel
fever,
pain, fever, and then cough,
cough,
and also
sore throat.
sore throat?
Yes, I
Okay,
can feel everything.
everything. Which one is the most difficult for you? Yang paling
I
sulit nih.
think sore throat.
Sore throat. Yes. It's really hurt when you eat something, right? When you swallow something like swallowing food, it's a really okay. I know the feeling. It's a really hurt anyway. What do you do if you got sore throat, Mr. Furqan?
Uh,
What do you usually do? Do you see a doctor?
I mm, I I eat some medicine.
You take some medicine.
I take some medicine.
Okay. Have you ever got cough? Cough itu batuk-batuk.
Batuk cough.
Yes. What
Yes.
do you what do you usually do?
Uh, I I usually drink water,
You
water, water hangat,
drink
hangat.
water. Oh, warm water. The
I
warm,
usually
warm water.
warm water,
This
drink
one,
warm
warm
water.
water. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, we have vocabulary again, part 2. We have whole problems. For example, we have head and then ache. We call that headache. Headache. Okay.
Headache.
Now, Mr. Furkan, I want you to write to complete picture number 2, number 3, number 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and 4 picture here.
Okay.
Ear plus ache.
Uh,
Headache. Okay.
stomach.
Stomach.
Uh,
Oh, kalau stomach ada spesinya, Mr. Furkan.
oh,
Stomach ache.
stomach ache.
Oh, it's okay. Nanti saya yang bantu Mr. Furkan.
Uh,
Mr. Furkan ke nomor selanjutnya aja.
like
Backache. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you, Mr. Furkan anyway. Oke, sekarang Mr. Furkan belajar bagaimana menerapkan egg di sini. Egg di sini untuk menjelaskan bagian tertentu dari tubuh, part of the body yang rasanya tidak enak atau sakit. Nah, tulisannya ACHE tapi bacanya egg. Egg. Yes. Nanti kalau misalnya Mr. Furkan mau ngomong bagian tubuh tertentu, misalnya head, kepala saya sakit, head ditambah headache. Headache. Bukan headache, tapi headache.
headache.
Earache, kalau yang ini earache.
Earache.
Kalau bagian telinga, maka telinganya kita tambah ache, maka earache. Kalau perut, stomach ache. Oh, ini bacanya kayak ini, Mr. Furkan, kayak baca cake. Kayak baca cake, yes. Oke, coba ya. Kita baca lagi yang sudah Mr. Furkan tulis mulai dari headache. Oke, let's start, Mr. Furkan.
Headache.
Good.
Earache.
Good. Next.
Stomach ache.
Good. Next.
Backache.
Good. Next.
Toothache.
Good
Toothache.
job. Yes, you are right, Mr. Furkon. Jadi, jangan lupa ditambah ache di bagian belakang. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Here is look and read. Choose the correct word and write them on the blank. We have 6 questions actually. Oh, no, maybe more than. Oh, okay. We have 6 questions actually. Now, Mr. Furkan, you have to choose from the box here the right word for this. Okay.
Your head.
Now, let's start with question number 1. Mr. Furkan baca dulu, please.
Number one, a pain
Okay.
in your head.
Okay.
Sakit kepalamu ya.
A pain in your head, sakit di bagian kepala. Apa tadi namanya?
Head. Headache.
Headache. Okay, good. Headache. And then number 2.
Number two, you have this when
Oh, dikasih depannya ya Mr. Furkon ya. Kayak ini, kayak di pilihan katanya. A headache.
wait.
Okay, a headache. Okay, number 2.
Number two, you have this when your stomach hurts.
When your stomach hurts. Stomach ache. Good job. Number 3.
You usually feel tired and your body temperature is hot when you have this. A fever.
A fever. Good job. Okay.
When you have this, you should not eat ice cream. I think it's so throw. So throw. So throw.
Short throat. Okay.
You have this because you often carry heavy things. I think it's
Backache.
backache.
Okay.
He has this because he eats too much candy. Toothache. Toothache.
Okay, great, Mr. Furgon. You can complete this with the perfect scores. Congratulations. Now let's read one more time about the definitions and the word. A pain in your head, a headache.
Then
You, Mhm. You
you have
have
this when your stomach hurts, a stomach ache.
good,
Usually feel tired and your body temperature is hot when you have this. A fever.
great,
When you have this, you should not eat ice cream. Sore throat.
great.
You have this because you often carry heavy things. Backache.
Okay,
He has this because he eats too much candy.
great. Today. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, take a look at the picture, Mr. Furkan. We have a missing letters here. I want you to complete this by writing the missing letter, or you can write the word behind, under the word. Mr. Furkan bisa tulis di bawahnya atau menulis di tooth, ache. Good. Okay, toothache. Number 2. Earache. Fever. Okay. Sore. Sore throat. Okay. Great. We have toothache, earache, fever, and sore throats. Good. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, we have new vocabulary here. Advice. Advice itu artinya nasihat atau saran. This one. See a doctor. See a dentist. Take a rest. Take the medicine. Nah, ini kalau obat itu pakainya take, Mr. Fulcom. Take medicine. Okay, not eating. Not eat medicine.
Why?
Karena biasanya obat itu kan langsung ditelan ya. Kalau food itu kalau eat itu biasanya dikunyah dulu. Nah, okay. Now this one, see a doctor, see a dentist. Okay, my questions. Is it okay to take medicine without seeing a doctor?
What? Okay.
Is it okay? Is it okay if we take medicine without seeing doctor?
Not okay.
Not okay. But have you ever done that before? Mr. Furkan pernah nggak kayak gitu misalnya? For example, when you got fever, and then you go to drugstore atau apotek, obat ini dong. Pernah nggak Mr. Furkan gitu?
Oh yes, I can.
Tanpa anjuran dokter ya, langsung beli gitu ya. Ya, me too, same. Saya juga pernah juga gitu. Oke, alright. Si dokter itu dokter, kalau dulu si dokter itu orang yang ahli di bidang kesehatan. Kalau si dentist adalah dokter gigi, Mr. Furkan. Jadi kalau kita khusus ke dokter gigi, si dentist namanya. Oke, take rest, istirahat, take a medicine, minum obat. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here it is, fill in the blank to complete the sentences. Okay, now Mr. Furkan, we have 4 pictures here. Let's start with picture number 1. Miss Smith has a pancake. I think she should take a
rest.
Take a rest. Okay. Okay, what about number 2?
My brother saw a dentist last week because he has a toothache.
Good. Number 4.
Do you have a stomach ache?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Number three, he has a mild fever. Kamu memiliki demam, demam
Milk fever agak parah nih.
fever.
Take this
Sementara, take this medicine 30
medicine. Okay. No. No.
no,
No.
medicine.
Yes.
Okay,
Medicine.
two times
Okay.
a day after meals for 3 days. You will feel better soon.
Medicine 3 times a day. Kalau 3 times a day itu anjuran pakainya, Mr. Furkan. Three
Okay,
times a day after meals atau before meal. Jadi ada after, ada before biasanya. 3 times a day after meals for 3 days. You will feel better soon. Okay, great. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, complete the sentence. We have 6 questions here. Now, Mr. Furqat, take a look at the question, read and complete the questions. Number one,
number one. Number one. After seeing the doctor, May took the medicine the doctor gave her and went to sleep. Medicine.
good.
To
Number
medicine.
two,
Number two. Nami will go to the dentist in the afternoon because he has toothache.
good job.
He ate too much last night, so he has too much stomach stomach ache.
Hmm, no? Okay.
Stomach
Okay, good.
ache now. I'm sorry I can't go swimming with you tomorrow. I have a terrible, terrible fever. Fever.
Terrible fever?
Terrible. Oh no no. Wait wait.
I can't go swimming with you tomorrow. I have terrible.
I have terrible.
Here.
Uh, earache.
Earache. Yes.
Ear, earache. Earache.
Okay.
Hmm.
Good.
He has after walking in the rain. Yeah, he has after walking in the rain. His body's temperature is so high. I think it is fever.
Okay, good. Number six.
Number six. I moved the house yesterday. I moved the house yesterday. Now I feel a sharp. I feel a sharp. Amazing. I feel a sharp. I feel a sharp pain. I feel
Sharp,
sharp pain.
sharp pain. Yes.
Pain.
Jadi kalau sharp pain itu nyeri sangat nyeri sekali. I move house yesterday. Now I feel a sharp pain. Sangat itu dirasanya sangat nyeri sekali in my back.
I feel sharp pain in my back. Okay.
Okay, now, wow, great. You make it perfect score for this. Now let's move to the next slide. Here is grammar. What's the matter actually? Nah, sekarang kita belajar grammar Mr. Furqan dengan menggunakan what's the matter. What's the matter? And then name. Name ini nama orang nanti. What's the matter? Kate, kalau di sini contohnya gitu. Jawabannya this subject have or has health problem. For example, what's the matter? Kate, this is the name of person. Ini nama orangnya. Jawabannya ini subjeknya. Ini pakai have. Ini health problemnya. I have an earache. I have an earache. Okay. And then number 2. What's the matter, Josh? He seems. Nah, bisa juga Mr. Furqan pakai seems.
What is the meaning seems?
Dia terlihat. He seems to be in pain. Dia terlihat kayak sedang ini sakit pain, sakit sedang ini sakit atau kesakitan. Atau he has a stomachache.
He has a stomachache.
Oke, jadi dijawab dia kayak sedang kesakitan tuh, terus dijawab he has a stomachache. Dia sedang sakit perut. Nah, kemudian yang terakhir, what's the matter, Tracy? She looks. Nah, kalau Mr. Furqan pakai she, maka look-nya ditambah s, looks, atau sama he tadi. Kalau he, maka ditambah s. He seems to be in pain. Kalau ini she looks unwell. Unwell itu artinya tidak sehat. Tidak sehat, tidak baik, atau kurang baik. She has a sore throat. She has a sore throat. Yes, jadi kalau he atau she, Mr. Furqan pakai has. Nah, karena ini kan she, kemudian pasangannya adalah have atau has. Subject have or has. Okay, this one.
Kalau she menggunakan has.
Yes, kalau she, he, atau it menggunakan has. Kalau he seems, nya ditambah.
He seems menggunakan s.
Mr. Screen dulu bagian yang ini.
Has.
Sudah finish, Mr. Furqan?
Okay, finish.
Sudah di screenshot ya? Okay. Any questions for this, Mr. Furqan?
Kalau have untuk I, we, they.
Yes, kalau have untuk I, you, we, they. Kalau has untuk he, she, it.
She and he.
She, he, and it. Okay.
He and it. Okay.
Yes, itu pakai yes. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Kita move ke next slide.
Okay.
Okay, look and answer. Sekarang Mr. Furqan look and answer. He seems to be in pain. Apa jawabannya Mr. Furqan? He seems to be in pain. Jackson ini laki-laki atau perempuan?
Male.
Male, maka menjadi he. Oke. Maka menjadi he has a toothache. Good. What about number 2? What's the matter, Lily? Is everything okay with Kate? She okay, she has a cough. Number 3. What's the matter, Tom? They look unwell. They have a stomachache. Okay, number 4. What's the matter, Melissa?
She has a backache.
She has a backache. Good job. Wow, you are doing great for this, Mr. Furkon. You are doing great. Okay. Now, let's move to the next slide. This one. Oh, wait. Oh, this one. Listen and think. Nah, nanti Mr. Furkon listen and think. We have Liam, Hua, and Lan. Mr. Furkon, are you ready? Okay, wow. You're doing great. What is Liam? What is Liam problem is earache, right? Oh wait, this one, earache. And then what about Hua? Hua is stomachache. And Lan is cough and sore throats. Good job. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, grammar you should. Nah, ini ada grammar Mr. Furkon memakai you should. You should itu digunakan untuk memberikan anjuran. Contoh, you should see a doctor. You should see a doctor. Rumusnya adalah subject should verb 1. Contoh, you should stay at home. You should go to school by bus. You should. Should adalah anjuran. Kamu seharusnya, nah gitu. Kamu seharusnya, you should. Nah, ini positif. Dan kalau negatif, you should not atau you shouldn't. You should not or you shouldn't. Nih. Kalau interrogatif, itu should dulu. Should, subject, and then verb. Should, subject, and then verb. Should I see a doctor? Should I see a doctor? Nah, jadi kayak gitu. Okay, Mr. Furkon, take a screenshot this slide. Finish? Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here is Mr. Furkon. Read and give advice with should and shouldn't. Jadi Mr. Furkon harus memberikan nasihat dengan menggunakan should or shouldn't. This is the example. Khan has a stomachache. Stomachache. Sarannya, she shouldn't see a dentist. Oh, sorry, not stomachache, toothache. Sorry, toothache. She should see a dentist. Saran yang tidak dibolehkan adalah She shouldn't eat a lot of sweets. Okay. Now, Mr. Furkan, you have 3 pictures with the 3 questions here. Anna has a headache. What is your advice?
Anna has a headache. She should take a rest.
Okay, Mr. Furkan, you can write. She
She should take
Okay, she should take rest. And kalau saran yang ininya, larangannya, she
shouldn't
should not.
she shouldn't stay up late.
Okay, she shouldn't stay up late. Okay, she shouldn't stay up late. Oh, kurang T. She shouldn't. Shouldn't-nya kurang T, Mr. Furkon. Yang ini, okay, let me help you. Biar saya yang bantu, Mr. Furkon. Ini ditambah T di sini. Shouldn't. Nah, this one. Okay, now what about number 2? Tom has a stomachache. Should, okay. She should. She should take medicine. Okay, good. Oke, sekarang negative advice-nya yang tidak dibolehkan. She shouldn't. Sorry, not she. Mr. Furkon is a he. He. Okay. He shouldn't eat too much, right? Eat too much. Eat too much. Okay. What about number 3? I have a backache. Kalau ini nasihat diri sendiri. I should take a rest. Itu boleh juga. Okay, let me help you to write, Mr. Furkan. I should take a rest. Kalau yang tidak dibolehkan, karena sakit punggung, itu kan tidak boleh mengangkat berat. Maka I shouldn't take a heavy thing. Nah, kita bisa bilang gitu. Oh, sorry, take-nya saya ganti lebih spesifik carry. Carry, mengangkat heavy things, benda-benda yang berat. Okay, now let's move to the next slide, Mr. Furkan. Okay, put the word in order to make complete sentence. Okay, sekarang kita akan unscramble the word, Mr. Furkan. Kira-kira number 1 itu apa? For example, what's the matter, Anna. Okay. Right. What about number 2?
No, no.
Hello? Hello, Mr. Furkan?
Hello, hello.
Okay. I can hear you. Okay. Number 2.
Number two. Number two. Hmm.
He, he
The
to
what?
he,
Number two.
he
He
should,
should. He should. He should
he should
wash.
wash
He should wash his
and good
hands before having meal.
before having
Before
meals. Good. Number 3.
having number three. Hmm. I have a cough
I
and
have
sore throat.
a cough and
Sore
sore
throat.
throat. Okay, you are right. Number 4. Okay, number 4.
Number four. Hmm. Number four.
She shouldn't
Carry,
carry
carry heavy things
heavy things
when
when
when when
when
when he has a
she
backpack.
when
He has a
she
backpack.
has a
A backpack.
pancake. Good job. Good job with pancake. Okay. All right. You are right, Mr. Furkan. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Oh, role play. You look so tired. Kira-kira kalau sudah ada gitu, you look so tired. Terus apa tadi lanjutannya, Mr. Furkan? You look so tired. What's the
What's the matter with
What's the matter with you? Okay. What's the matter with you? Oh, ini jawabannya.
I have a stomachache.
I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. What did say John? Apa yang dikatakan John? What? What? Itu bawahnya ada fried chicken, seafood, berarti menanyakan makan. What did you eat at the party yesterday? Jawabannya apa? I ate fried chicken, seafood, and cakes. Oke. Setelah itu kira-kira?
Hear my voice, Mister?
Huh? Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay.
I ate fried chicken, seafood, and cakes.
And you ate too much.
You ate too much, okay. Kalau ini John, sekarang
To
John.
take medicine.
Oke, kalau saran harus dikasih should. Kalau saran harus dikasih should. You should
take medicine.
Good. Take a medicine and take a rest. Good job. Kate, Kira-kira kidnya bilang apa?
Kid, yes, I will.
Okay, I will.
Oke, I will. Saya akan melakukan itu.
Thank you. Thank you. Alright, Mr. Furqan.
Oke.
Okay, now don't forget Mr. Furqan cara memberikan advice, saran dengan menggunakan should. Yang boleh atau yang tidak boleh shouldn't atau should not. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Okay, it's a time to say goodbye anyway. So before I close, do you have a question, Mr. Furqan?
Question ya.
Do you have?
Question is apa ya? I confused.
Confused. Yang penting Mr. Furqan ingat tadi yang sudah di screenshot tadi. Mr. Furqan pelajari independently. Nanti Mr. Furqan bisa terapkan. Jadi cara menjawab sakit, what's the matter tadi itu ada 3 jenis kan. What's the matter with you, Kate? I have stomachache. Atau she seems have a pain. She seems got a pain. Terus dijawab she has. Kalau I, you, they, we pakai have. Kalau he, she, it pakai has. Nah, jangan lupa juga cara menggunakan advice should. You should go to see a doctor. You shouldn't eat too much. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Furqan, anyway, for coming to the class today. It's time to say goodbye.
Moment. Apa yang harus ditingkatkan vocabulary-nya atau grammar-nya?
Apa yang?
Apa yang harus ditingkatkan terlebih dahulu, vocabulary atau grammar?
Oh, vocabulary first. Vocabulary first.
Vocabulary.
Yes. Jadi urutannya itu Mr. Furqan, vocabulary, yang kedua grammar.
Vocabulary, kedua grammar.
Nanti Mr. Furqan tambah terus perharinya berapa yang di-input vocabulary-nya yang dihafalkan. Itu pasti nanti Mr. Furqan akan tahu. Oh, ini artinya. Karena vocabulary itu kunci utama belajar bahasa asing. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much, Mr. Furqan, for the questions anyway. Have a good day and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Okay.